Representing the Iowa City, Iowa chapter, Season Sound.
Twas yesterday when life was gay, you said you loved me, but we had to say goodbye. I haven't heard from you, dear. Do you still love me as in days gone by? Days turn to weeks and weeks into years. I've waited so long, now my eyes are filled with tears. Do you really, really love me? Do you really, really care? Do you care? It's been years since we first kissed hello, vowing our love to share. The nights are long and lonely. I miss you more each day. If you really, really love me, that's all I want you to say. If you really, really love me, say that you're mine. Oh, mine. Drop me a line. Say that you're fine. Tell me you're mine. All mine. Rose time, sweet propose time. Meet me in rose time, rose. Rosie, get wise, gaze in my eyes. Can't you see the love light gleaming? I want but you know that's true. Day and night of you, my love, I'm dreaming. And when the fragrant roses are in bloom, I'll take you, dearie, on our honeymoon. Meet me in rose time, Rosie. Meet me in rose time, Rose. True love is always cozy. Each little rosebud knows. Don't keep me waiting, my Rosie. Put on your wedding clothes. Meet me in rose time, dear sweet propose time. Meet me in rose time, rose. And can the daisies tell how we will live so cozy in the cottage by the wishing well? So don't keep me waiting, Rosie. My Rosie, put on your wedding clothes. Meet me in rose time, dear sweet propose time. Meet me in rose time, Rosie, my posy. I'm ready for our wedding day.